as the district head and at the same time the athletic manager of the district of Lawang District, I declare Lawang 2 Athletic Meet 2023 open. Good luck everyone.
Welcome back mga guys! Gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo yung naganap na district meet ng Lawang 2 District, Lawang Northern Samar. Naka-video God! Hoy, pabanius kami sa iyo, Kadi! Waray, pabanius kami sa iyo bata! Sa iyo lalak! Ayan, nitong mga nakaraang araw, nitong November 30 hanggang December 2 ay ginanap ang district meet ng Lawang 2 District, Lawang Northern Samar na dinaluhan ng lahat ng schools ng Lawang 2 District. At kasama na po yung aming school, ang Magsaysay Elementary School. At ayan mga guys, mag-uumpisa na po yung parada, kaya naman po ang dami-dami pong mga participants dito, mga athletes, pat kasama po yung mga coaches at mga teachers ng iba't ibang schools na bumubuo po ng Lawang 2 District. Ayan, ang dami-dami po dito at masayang-masaya po yung lahat. Kami po sa aming school ay meron po kaming athlete at nandito din po ako dahil part po ako ng officiating officials ng event na chess. Ayan guys, may pailaw po yung Lawang Northern Samar at aabangan po natin yan. Ayan, nakapag-set up na po sila dito sa Plaza Rizal ng Lawang Northern Samar. So abangan po natin yung official pailaw day ng Lawang.
So, yung mga athletes, ready po ba kumayo?
Last year.
Tapos,
I rose with the birthday. So help us God. Good luck.
Yes.
thank you, sir. Thank you, coaches, and to the officiating officials.
Champion na ang Philippines.
As district head and at the same time the athletic manager of the district of Lawang District, I declare Lawang 2 Athletic Meet 2023 open. Good luck everyone.
Ayan, abangan po ninyo ang part 2 ng ating vlog tungkol po sa district meet ng Lawang 2 District, Lawang Northern Samar. At maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa inyong nag-iisang Maestro Waray. Yes, yo, break it down to you.